Christian Fouts here, Core Real Estate Solutions. I'm outside of our upcoming purchase here. We're gonna be buying this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium located in Southeast Cape Coral. Great location. And we actually just contracted it 3 days ago, and we're closing next Wednesday. So it's gonna be about a 12-day close from the time we contracted it. But we're really excited about this. There's a lack of rental properties in this area. You could walk to downtown Cape Coral with everything going on. So let me take you inside. We're gonna do some updating. It needs a little TLC. It hasn't been updated in a while. We're buying it from a family trust. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take up this older carpeting, put in brand new luxury vinyl planking, and we are also gonna continue it to the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths in the back of the unit. And we're also going to freshen up the kitchen as well. At Core Real Estate Solutions, we not only buy properties for fix and flip, but we also buy properties to hold on to that we believe are good income producing rentals.